Let me, in fact, quickly take that to Shamshavi Shrine as well. Shamshavi Shrine, what do you make of the fast track nature of this trial? I mean, just about a year, the case conviction done, quantum handed out as well. Highest quantum handed out to Prajwal Revanna. Do you believe this has really become a test case, an example case there? He may be the high and mighty, may be a former MP, may be the former PM's kin, but the law is the same for everyone.
Yeah, of course. I would really appreciate the judge over there that who was there, who quickly gave a judgment in this matter, and of course the investigating team that they supplied all the documents on time, and within a year we have a judgment in our hand. So yes, these kind of matters actually sets an example in the society wherein people can believe that that they can get justice in the court, and that too on time, and law is always above everyone, be it anyone from any political party, whether you are powerful or you are a sitting MP or a minister or whatever. But these kind of matters keeps on coming in, and when such kind of judgments are delivered, even the lawyers, the investigating officers also feel proud that yes, their hard work has actually got to an end, and the justice has been delivered in the matter. So bravo to the entire investigating team, and of course the AI and the IT team has also done a wonderful job, because as this MP kept on saying, this accused kept on saying that it is a conspiracy theory and all. But then when the documents came out and the video was actually examined and everything came out, this was easier for them to also tell it to the court that it's not a conspiracy theory, wherein this is a real fact that has actually happened. But it is a sad story here in fact, not only here in India, everywhere, that a woman is raped, and just because of lack of documents, the accused, the person is not found guilty in the matter. So I'm glad that this thing has happened, and I hope that on in all the rape matters, especially in all the rape matters, judgment are actually delivered on time, and all the evidences are brought to the court, and the main accused, the actual accused, is always sent behind the bars. Thank you.